buffering in your videos, choppy playback, just overall slow performance on your device, whether that's a 4K Firestick or Firestick Max or Fire TV Cube or Chromecast with Google TV or any of those cheaper Android TV devices. All of these devices will end up being slow after a while, especially if you are starting up lots of different programs, lots of different applications. These things all running will slow your device down. Now, one thing you can do to address that is to do a complete device restart. But if you don't want to do that, another option is to use the application I'm going to show in this video today. And with this application, with one click, we can now close all of those background applications running on our device, which means our device will have more memory, and more memory typically means we'll have better performance. So in this video today, let me demonstrate exactly how this application works. We'll do some real life tests just to confirm that is the application properly closing down those background apps. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now, the application in question is the latest version of the Fast Task Killer, and as the name implies, this application does one thing and one thing only. It closes off those background applications. So on my device, I've got a couple of things running in the background, and we can confirm on the top, my device has 490 megs of free memory. Now, if you don't have to check your free memory in real time, just search for this application on the Amazon store, which is the developer tools menu. You can open that up, and we can see by default, the system X-ray will be off. But if you turn that on, and this will show you exactly how much free memory you have. And once again, we can confirm my device has about 420 meg. Now, the application in question I'm going to show you is the latest version of Fast Task Killer. Now, you can't see the icon for it here because of that Fire OS 7 bug. But watch what happens when I click on that. We can see we go from about 400 megs of free memory, and literally in 1 second, we've now gone to over 600 megs. So super easy to use. Doesn't really have an interface panel or asking you what you want to close. If you're looking for the fastest way to quickly close down those background applications, this definitely is it. And we can see once again, my device has lots more memory. So now just moving around, my device should just perform that much better because it has more memory available. Now, for us to fully confirm that, is it actually closing down these applications? What we can do is we can do a quick test. Let's say, for example, I start Netflix. Now, you know you start Netflix for the first time because you see the Netflix logo, and then it will prompt you asking which profile do you want to select. So let me wait for it to do that. And I will show you the step-by-step instructions, how you can get the latest version of this application at the end of this video. So make sure you watch till the end. Okay, so I'll just select my profile. Okay, so now we're inside Netflix. So if I now press the home key, we know the application is now running in the background. And similarly, if I start the care application, we know with this one, when you run it for the first time, you see that splash screen. It takes a couple of seconds. And after that, we are on the home screen. So we know we have two applications running in the background. We can see that the free memory has dropped to around about 490 meg. So let's now start the Fast Task Killer. Again, just one click. Click on that. All of those applications have now been closed. We're at 700 megs of free memory. Let's now actually confirm, is Netflix still running in the background? So if I now click on that, give that a second, and we see the logo like we're starting it for the first time. So this just confirms one more time that when you do run the Fast Task Killer, it is going to stop these applications running in the background. Now let's press the home key, and let's also try with the care application, just to confirm that, is it running in the background or was it properly terminated? And we can see because of that splash screen, that just confirms once again that it was properly closed down by the Fast Task Killer. So really guys, not much more to it, and I do recommend you do this once a day. Maybe when you're about to start your streaming session or you're about to watch something, run this once. One click, it will quickly close down all of those background applications. You can then start your favorite streaming application and hopefully enjoy that buffer free. Okay, so if you want to get the latest version of this on your device, just head over to settings, which is the cogwheel. Click on that, click on My Fire TV, click on developer options, and where it says install unknown apps and where it says downloader, just ensure that's set to on. And this just means that we can download applications through downloader and then install them. Let's now press the home key. We can now start downloader. And I've actually got a direct code. We can go straight to the page which has the latest version of the fast task killer. So if you go over to home and the code is just 16934, let's type that in and click on go, or you can just press the play button on your remote. And this will take you directly to the page which has the latest version of this application. And the key thing to understand is that this application works both on your Fire OS devices, your Amazon devices, but also for your Android TV. So I've personally tested this on the Chromecast with Google TV, and you can also run this on your Android phones and your Android tablets. Okay, let's scroll down. Here we can see some information about the application, and just to confirm, we have no ads, one tap, memory release, and it is absolutely free. Keep scrolling down, and we should have a single link that we can click on. And let's click on this link here. Scroll down and you can click on this green download button. And this will download the application directly onto your device. It's only 1 meg in size. We can click on install. Even if you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment #fast, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. Okay, let's click on done. We can now press the home key. Got a couple of things running in the background. We have around about 400 megs of free memory. Let's just do one final test. So 3, 2, 1, click. And just like that, we boosted to over 750 megs of free memory. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I really do think this is a great application and a really quick way for you to free up some memory on your device, especially if you're about to start your streaming session, or if your device is running a bit slow. Clicking on this will definitely help speed up your device. So if you did find this video useful, then do give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, then please do subscribe, hit the notification bell with all notifications, and I will be going live in the next 1 or 2 days. Make sure you are subscribed with all notifications, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.